Moving ahead is good. It is really appreciable. But moving ahead with complete preparation will make you a better person. So, my dear lovely student, today we are going to do revision. Revision is must. If you will not revise, you will simply be moving ahead, forgetting all that you have learnt earlier. So, I have decided that today we will revise. Hello everyone, this is Gunjan. I welcome you all to my reasoning classes. So, let's start our class. The topics which we have covered till now in the 4 lessons, today we are going to revise those questions. And today also, I believe that you are going to answer yourself before I answer. This thing I believe with my students. So, let's start. Here is our first question. See, the first question written here is 70, 140, 210, 280 and you are asked to find out the next number. Again, this is very simple. I hope you remember if we remove all the zeros because there is a 0, right? So what is this 7, 14, 21, 28? Isn't it the table of 7? Yes, or else you can also check the differences. I'll clear the screen. You can also check the differences. You will get the difference of 70 each. So, our answer will be 350. I hope till now you have made this point very clear in your mind that there is not a single approach to the reasoning question. There are different approaches to different question. So, moving ahead. Next question says 2, 3, 5, 8, 12. Right? So let's quickly check the difference. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what will be the difference between 12 and the answer? It will be 5. So to get the difference of 5 between 12 and the answer, what will be our answer? It will be 17 because these two numbers will give me the difference of 5. Right? Okay, now next question 87, 82, 77, 72 and again you have to find the answer. So as you can see the series is decreasing. So again we should calculate the difference. It is carries a difference of 5. Here also 5, 5. So what will be the difference between the answer and 72? Again 5. So if we subtract 72, if we subtract 5 from 72, what will I get? I'll get 67. So 67 will be my answer. I hope everyone must have calculated 67 before I have given you the answer. Let's move ahead. Next question. So there is 4, 4, 4 and the number of zeros which are constantly decreasing. Here 3 zeros, 2 zeros and 1 zero. So I'll simply get my answer as 4. Since I am dividing each number by 10. So here I'll divide 40 by 10 and I'll get 4 as my answer. Got it? Moving ahead. Yes. The alphabetical series. I hope you remember this concept too. A, B, D, E, G, H, J, K. So let's check A, B, D, E, G, H, J, K. One alphabet is skipped in between these alphabetical pairs. So we will skip alphabet and our answer will be M, N. This will be the alphabetical pair which is our answer. Moving ahead. Next series says ABC, ZYX, EFG, VUT. One from the starting, one from the end. Let's quickly check. ABC, ZYX, EFG, VUT. Can you see? One alphabet is also skipped in between these pairs. So, again we will skip H and our answer will be I, J, K. Suppose we are also to find out the next pair. Can you write the next alphabetical pair to me in the comment section? If yes, write to me in the comment section. I'll be waiting for your answer. Now, moving ahead, D4, G7, J10, M13. Here it is D4, G7, J10, M13. It means one thing is clear, the number written with each alphabet is its position only, right? And how many alphabets are skipped in between these? 2. So we will also skip 2 alphabet and we will get our answer as P and its position is 16. Can you again tell me what will be the next pair? What will be the next alphabet and the number in the series? Yes, write to me in the comment section. Now, next question. VT20, RP16, NL12, JH8. Let's check this. VT20, right? RP16. NL12, JH8. So, can you see the second alphabet and the number written, they are related with each other as the second alphabet and the number written here is the position of the second alphabet in each of the pairs written, right? Also, in between V and T, one alphabet is skipped. In between R and P, one alphabet is skipped. So with the other alphabet. So also in between these pairs, one alphabet is skipped. As you can see here. So what will I do? I will also skip G. Next will be F and D4. So our answer will be FD4. Can you tell me the next one? Yes? Write to me in the comment section. Okay students, that's all for today. I hope this was a quick practice session for you all. I believe that revision is must. You must not just simply move ahead, you must revise for your subjects. Practice well students. Worksheet will be uploaded for the same on the school mobile app. Stay safe, stay home, keep learning. Thank you all for listening. God bless you. Thank you.